I'd like to introduce you to the newest member of my family. Honestly, it really does feel like a member of the family. It's great to have around, it's so helpful, entertaining and resourceful. Having Android 12 built in means that all of my data is secure, and the addition of the monthly Nokia security update provides me with extra peace of mind. Face Unlock is such a convenient way to access a device, and it's great that it's also mask friendly. I found that the 8-inch screen size is the perfect size, as it's more than my phone, but it's easier to hold than a larger tablet or a laptop. I'm finding the Nokia T10 to be my favourite device for quickly checking the news, weather, social media, as well as email and online shopping when I'm around the house. Video calling with the family on the T10 is excellent. The screen size and the HD display makes for a great experience. The compact, sleek design also means the rest of my family find it really easy to use. My niece loves playing games and streaming movies on the HD display, and the immersive Ozo audio means that you really get sucked into what you're watching. The screen size makes the Nokia T10 a great photo album, and it really has been a hit when I visit my grandmother. I simply go to Google Photos and pull up the albums I want to show her. She loves gently swiping through the pictures of recent family events on the Nokia T10.